We like to buy lots of things. But when we don't want those things anymore, or if they wear out, we normally throw them away. They are often made out of single-use materials or mixed materials that can't be separated easily. So they end up in landfill, and this is pretty bad for the environment. We call this way of doing things a linear economy.
Instead of this, a circular economy would eliminate waste by closing the loop and turning waste from one thing into a resource for new things. To make the circular economy a reality, we need to redesign the things we use. We need to make them out of sustainable materials that can be easily recycled and made into something else.
An old shoe is made up of all types of materials: rubber, plastic, leather and other fabrics which are hard to separate. Engineers are trying to design shoes that are made out of one material so it's easier to recycle.
As well as using less materials, we can also repair or upcycle old things. A broken belt can be cleaned and made into a dog collar, for example. Repairing and recycling means we will not be spending as much money. It will reduce single-use items, less rubbish will go to landfill, and this is better for the environment.
Because things need to be redesigned, some engineers are researching materials and structures inspired by the natural world to see if they can help us, like shark skin for aerodynamics in water and self-cleaning, and gecko feet for adhesion. Technology is also a problem, and engineers are coming up with solutions for modular mobile phones and computers, meaning when a small piece of the technology breaks, it can easily and quickly be replaced or updated, and you can carry on using the same device.